Chief Minister CONRAD yesterday informed that 4 cases have been registered by the police regarding the recent checking of papers of labourers and also the alleged assault by NGOs. Addressing the media after a cabinet meeting, Sangma clarified there is no work permit in the state for migrant workers, but there is a mandatory registration of such workers with the Labour Department on implementation of the ILP in the state. Sangma said the Assembly has passed a resolution for the same and is now waiting for the centre's approval. On the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act, he said the bill was sent by the Governor to the Ministry of Home Affairs, which returned it with suggestions for amendments to be made.
Has been asked to immediately act and file cases, and as I mentioned to you, 4 cases have been filed.
So indeed,
we will take up, as I said, the matter at the contractors level. But again, I'm reiterating that there's a process to do it. You complain to the government, to the department or the particular labor officer or to the minister concerned, but you cannot go and take the law in your hand and check, is what I'm saying. We had taken this issue up. We had we had passed the amended act, and Government of India and the governor at that point did not give the assent. So therefore, yes, we would be following it up and seeing what way we would be able to balance out between the concerns that MHA has raised and yet achieving the objectives that as a state government we would want.
The state government yesterday